guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Biskan Arya Purnama. I'm from Nautical 7 Alpha. Before discuss for today, don't forget like and share with your friend. Okay? Happy watching this video. I will explain about VHF communication. According to Standard Marine Communication Phrase or SMGP, message marker including instruction, advice, warning, information, question, answer, request, intention. Okay, I will let's discuss one by one. The first, instruction. This indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence others by a regulation. It means that the message was from full authority, e.g. a VTS and other sender who have full authority with the area. The message must follow the recipient unless she or he has contradictory safety reason, which then have to be reported to sender. Example: instruction: reduce speed before waypoint number 3. Instruction: reduce speed before waypoint number 3. Advice: this indicates the message about recommendation by other sender. This can from authority or other vessel. The decision to follow the advice is up to the recipient. Advice does not necessarily have to be followed, but should be careful to be taken. Example: advice: you must reduce your speed to 6 knots. Advice: you must reduce speed to 6 knots. Number 3, warning. This indicates that the message about warning. The sender informed the recipient about danger. This means that the recipient must take attention to the warning. The consequence of the warning is up to the recipient. Example: warning: vessel in position 0.5 miles to the side of you not complying with traffic regulation. Number 4, information. This indicates any information given by the sender to the recipient. The information is about navigation, restricted, traffic, instruction. The consequence of the information is up to the recipient. Example: information: your berth is clear. Question: this phrase to remove any doubt and have a statement of other vessel about their information such as destination and draft. The question usually including interrogative question like that: where, why, who, how, and the recipient expected to answer this question. Example: question: what is your intention? Question: next port of call. Number 6, answer. This contains to reply the previous question. Note that the answer phrase does not have another question, only answer the previous question. If you want to ask, please with question phrase again. Example: answer: my intention is port to port. Answer: my next port of call is. Jakarta. Number 7. Request. This indicates that the vessel needs something from other. This contains about something arranged or provided, but the request must not be used for modify the callrex. Example: request, send assist immediately. Request, I require peta. The last from message marker. Number 8. Intention. This indicates other from any immediate action to be taken, like a navigational and other action. This message is announcing navigational action to other by the sender about the intention. Example: intention, I will overtake you on your starboard side. Intention, I will reduce my speed. Okay, next discuss. I will explain to conduct initial call, including 1. Address and identify. 2. Talking about channel. Conduct initial call. Address and identify. First of all, before you communicate with other vessel, you must identify and call with vessel name, call sign, your ship name, and all repeat 3 times. Motor vessel Patrick Star, motor vessel Patrick Star, motor vessel Patrick Star. Call sign Victor Yankee November Golf, Victor Yankee November Golf, Victor Yankee November Golf. This is motor vessel Diamond Star, this is motor vessel Diamond Star, this is motor vessel Diamond Star. Talking about channel. In communication, signal is very important to make sure the message was clear to recipient. We must ask to other about the signal as, how do you read me? And other vessel must answer with, I read you with signal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, can say with signal poor or excellent. Motor vessel Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf, motor vessel Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. This is motor vessel Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. How do you read me? Over. Motor vessel Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Motor vessel Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. I read you with signal 2. Over. Changing channel. If the signal was not clear or poor, you must change to other channel to continue the communication. Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. Please switch to channel 06. Over. Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. This is Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Agree. Channel 06. Over. Channel is not available. In other problem for VHF, you can use suggest channel and try to ask them for other channel again. Patrick Star, Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. Channel 13 is not available. Please switch to channel 14. Over. Diamond Star, Victor Yankee November Golf. This is Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2 agree. Channel 14 over. How to say position, including 1. Latitude and longitude, 2. Bearing and distance. First, latitude and longitude. Using latitude and longitude is 1. When clear of land, when near a clear coast. 2. When geographical names may be confusing. Example: 67 degrees 13 north, 110 degrees 78 east. Motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. This is motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Question: your present position, over. Motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. Answer: my present position 67 degrees 13 north, 110 degrees 78 east. Bearing and distance. 1. When near land or sea mark. 2. When 3 is a possibility of chart with different datum being used. Motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. Answer: my present position is bearing 145 degrees from number 1 Euro buoy at 12 nautical miles over. Say again. If not, listen carefully. To ask other vessel to repeat the message because you not listen the message carefully. This can happen is third party disrupt your communication. Motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. This is motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Please say again your position, over. Motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. My present position is bearing 145 degrees from number 1 Euro buoy at 12 nautical mile, over. Mistake and correction. If in communication you say the mistake message, you must follow with correction and say the correct message. Motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. This is motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Information: motor vessel Santi Indah overtake me on my port side. Mistake. Correction: motor vessel Santi Indah overtake me on my starboard side. Over. Motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. This is motor vessel Diamond Star Victor Yankee November Golf. Understood. Motor vessel Santi Indah overtake you on your starboard side. Over. Okay, this is the last discuss for today. Important message. If you inform to all station or to specific station and the information was very important, you must say repeat for make sure that the other station hear about the information. All station, this is motor vessel Patrick Star Yankee Bravo Mike Golf 2. Warning: obstruction in the fairway. I repeat, obstruction in the fairway. Over. Okay, I think enough for me. Discuss for today. Don't forget, eat healthy and stay at home. See you for the next video. Bye bye.